My dear student, welcome to my channel Math Cure. Today I want to discuss about simple interest. First of all, what is interest? My dear student, interest means some money whenever you deposit in a bank, in a post office, in a cooperative society. You, after some period, when refund this deposit money, you will get extra money. This extra money is also called interest. Moreover, whenever you borrow some money from any financial organization, when you repay this borrow money, you will repay the borrow amount plus extra some money. That is called interest. These interest totally depend upon rate of interest. You see, what is rate of interest? Everything you will see and I will discuss it clearly. Simple interest. First of all, principal. Am I clear? Deposit money or borrow. Both is called principal. Am I clear? Similarly, rate of interest. Rate of interest always calculate by upon rupees 100 in a year money. Upon 100 rupees in a year is called the money, its rate of interest, such as 5%. What do you mean? Upon rupees 100 in a year, interest will be rupees 5. This is called 5% interest. Am I clear? Now, time period. Time period. This time period may be in month. When it is month, we also convert it in the year. Whenever it is also for years, always it is simple, because say for only 1 year he deposits some money, then we also multiply by 1. He also deposit the money for 2 years, we also multiply it by 2. He also deposited 5 years, we also multiply it for 5. But when it also deposit for months, then we convert it in the year. Likewise, months months divided by 12. Am I clear? It convert in year. Similarly, when it also deposit in weeks, say weeks, we also convert it divided by 52 into year, because in 365 in the year total days and 7 days also occur for 1 week, we also divide 365, 7 5 are 35, 15, 7 2 are 14, 1 is remainder. So total year 52 weeks Now we convert the weeks in year, divide 52. Similarly, whenever it also deposit for or borrow for, say, days, am I clear? We also convert days, divide 365, convert in year. Am I clear? You see, amount. What is amount? Amount means, my dear student, you see, amount means total as deposit money plus interest. This is amount. My dear student, we also take a simple example. You see how we calculate easily the interest of simple interest problem. Say a man deposit rupees 500 in a bank. Am I clear? In a bank for 2% interest, 2% interest for 2 years. Am I clear? What will be interest? What will be interest? My dear student, you see 2% interest means upon rupees 100 in a year, the interest is rupees 2. Similarly, upon rupees 1 in 1 year, the interest is, as 1 is less than 100, it will be divided, it will be division 2 by 100. Am I clear? Similarly, as this is principal, this is the deposit amount, deposit money. So, upon rupees 500 in a year, the interest is rupees 2 divided by 100 into 500. Similarly, upon rupees 500 in 2 years, the interest is rupees 2 by 100 into 500 into 2, because 2 is more than 1, so it will be multiplication. Am I clear? Is equal to 00 and 00 is crossed, 2 2s are 4, 5s are 40 rupees. Now, interest is equal to rupees 40. My dear student, you see, it is too easy method to calculate the interest as simple interest problem. Now we can say interest is equal to, you see, here is 500, so it is called P. 2 is rate of interest, it is called R. 2 is time period, 2 years, so it is T, and divided by 100 we also put here. Now we also we will get the interest as simple interest. I is equal to PRT divided by 100. We also calculate all the simple interest problems by this method, by this formula, by this theorem. Am I clear? You see, here in the chapter 4, chapter 5, worksheet 4, here is given a table. My dear student, you see, here is given a table like this, whereas the table is this is principal. Next, rate of interest. Time period, simple interest, and amount. My dear student, first problem, rupees principal is 400. Am I clear? Rate of interest 5% and 3 years. Time period is 3 years. Then next, rupees 450. Rate of interest 4 whole 1 by 2%, 3 years 4 month, 3 years 4 month. Next, rupees 500. Rate of interest 15 whole 1 by 2%, 146 days. Next, rupees 1200, 1200, 15%, 8 April, June 20. My dear student, you see, rate of interest 5%, principal is 400, time period is 3 years. We know I is equal to PRT divided by 100. This I is simple interest. Am I clear? Simple interest. So you see, principal here is 400, rate of interest is 5%, time period is 3 years, as it is years, so it is easy, divided by 100. 00 is also crossed. 5 4 are 20. 20 into 3 is equal to 60. My dear student, you see here simple interest is 60. And amount will be 400 plus 60. 460. 460 rupees. Am I clear? This is simple interest calculation. Similarly, in the second time, you see P is 450, rate of interest 4 2 are 8 plus 1, 9/2, time period is 3 years 4 months. As 3 years, we also calculate it like this, 3 whole 4/12. Am I clear? 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 is equal to 10 divided by 3. My dear student, seriously you must call up your mind. 4 month we also convert it into years, dividing 12. Month divided by 12 month, it convert in year, and also 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10, 10/3 years, 10/3 divided by 100 is called simple interest. 0 and 0, 0 and 0, 3 3s are 9. Now it will be 3 15, 15, 3 5s are 15, in hand 1, 3 4s are 12, 1 13 divided by 2 is equal to 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10, 0, 67.50. This is the simple interest of 450, 4 whole 1/2% for 3 years and 4 months. Am I clear? Now amount will be 450, 67.50. It will be 517.50. Am I clear? Next, 500 rupees is principal. Principal is equal to 500. 15 2s are 30, 31/2, 31 divided by 2 into time period is 146 days. My dear student, you see 146 divided by 365. This is time period, and total divided by 100. This is simple interest. You see 20 and 20 is also crossed. Now 2 7s are 73, 5 7s are 5 2s are 5 7s are 35, 3 73 is also crossed, is equal to 31. My dear student, you see 31 is simple interest. Now total amount, total will be 500 plus 31, 531. 531 is amount. Am I clear? Next you see simple interest is equal to P means 1200, R means 15%, T means 8 April. April is 30 days. Now 8 is minus 22 days. April, May 31, and June will be 20 June. It will be 373 days. Now 73 divided by 100. My dear student, 00 is also crossed. Now P R T means 73 days total divided by 365. It also convert in year. Now 73 365 divided by 73. 5. 5 3 jar 15. 5 7 jar 35 36. 73. 5 jar 365. 5 3 jar 15. 12 3 jar 36. My dear student, you see 36 is simple interest of 1200 by 15% for 73 days. Now amount will be 1200 plus 36 means 1236 rupees. 1236. This is the amount of this principal 1200. Am I clear, my dear student? Now I want to stop here. Next I will come with you with next portion. Thank you.